You know the moment you're scrolling online looking for side hustles and how you keep saying a gift card as payment, like yeah, take $5 in Starbucks credit, but that's not what you're looking for. So today we are going to be talking about real websites that pays you in real cash and not gift card. I'm going to be walking you through each one, sharing how they work, how much you can realistically make, and trust me, some of this could even turn into full on income if you play your cards right. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is called user texting, and this place you can get paid to share your opinion. So let's start with usertexting.com. This is one of the most straightforward ways to make money online without any complicated setup. Here's the deal. Big companies need to know if their websites, apps, or even new digital products actually make sense to real people. So what they do is pay you, the everyday internet user, to try them out and share your honest thoughts. And the process is so simple. All you have to do is like register, you log in, they give you a task like find this button on our website or complete checkout. While you are doing it, you speak your thoughts out loud, what you like, what is confusing, and what feels smooth. Just think about it like, oh, somebody wants to like launch a website and want to say like, okay, before we actually put this website to like, before we push it to public, how about we get some people and pay them to test it for us and see if there's any mistakes that they can discover so that we do not push it to public and get backlash. So that's basically what you are going to be doing as a user tester. So the average test takes about 20 minutes and pays around $10. Not bad, right? That's basically like $30 in an hour if you did back to back sessions. And if you land one of their live interview sessions, you could be looking at $30 to $120 for a single chat. So the only gear you need is actually your laptop, your smartphone, or your tablet, plus a microphone because you are going to be speaking out loud, and sometimes a webcam. So payments hits your PayPal account about like a week later. So this is going to be good for you if you have a PayPal account because you're going to be paying directly into your PayPal account. I actually just discovered this website, so I'm just testing it out by myself. But I know a lot of people that have gotten paid with this website. The second one that I'm going to be talking about is free cash, and this one is basically one of the easiest ways to make money online because you're going to be making money while playing games. Here's how it works. You earn by playing games, completing surveys, testing apps, or doing small online tasks. Payments can be through PayPal, Amazon gift card, and more. And you all know Amazon gift cards are redeemable, right? So now I won't sugarcoat it. The payouts actually vary a lot. Some tasks might get you under $1, while others almost $20 in one shot. So free cash is actually available in a lot of countries, not just the US, which makes it more accessible. And honestly, if you want to earn a little extra while doing something fun and low effort, so it's a solid option if you're somebody that likes to play game. The third one that I'm going to be talking about is Prime Opinion, and this one is quick surveys and quick payout. So all you have to do is answer surveys for cash. Now let's keep it real. Surveys are not going to make you rich. Like I always say, these are not the platform that's going to make you a millionaire overnight. So you need to keep your expectations realistic. Most is going to pay you under $1 each. But if you have got spare moments, say you are at work, you are less busy, these are things that you can actually do to make cash. So what I like about Prime Opinion is how flexible the payout options are. Like they do direct PayPal transfer, direct to your bank account, or a bunch of different gift card options that are redeemable. So they have different payment options for this one. There's PayPal, there's direct to your bank, and there are different gift card options that you can use to redeem your cash. And the fourth one, this is I just combined both two apps together because they are different apps. It's Upwork and Fiverr, and I've personally used this too. In fact, this is like the apps that are helping me make money as a freelancer. So now, if you're ready to move beyond just quick wins and into something that could actually pay your bills, you have to look into Upwork and Fiverr. They are freelance marketplace, and they connect freelancers with people and businesses would need help. So whether whatever your skills are, or whatever your skills is, you can actually sell and make money on this platform. So whether that skill that you have is writing, designing, editing videos, virtual assistants, or even more niche services, here's the beauty. If you live in a country with a lower cost of living like Nigeria, this site can be game changer. In fact, I was introduced to this site in 2020, and so far I've made a lot of money from this website just by selling my skills. So your earning depends on your skills, your experience, and the services you offer. I have seen projects go from $5 quick gigs to like thousands of dollars for a long-term contract. Some tasks are done in an hour, while others stretch over months and pay a consistent monthly wage. Personally, I started freelancing on Upwork as a career in 2020. Before I started content creation, before I even started YouTube, I was charging $10 per hour then, and my skill that I was selling was writing. I was also doing rewriting for people, proofreading and editing. And you can actually get paid via PayPal or Payoneer. I was getting paid via Payoneer then. And they also support other methods, so just need to find what works for you. Once you find your niche, your skills, you can build a sustainable, scalable business on this website, both Upwork and Fiverr. And the final one is called Slice the Pie. And this if you enjoy music like review music or you're into fashion and you like giving feedbacks, this site will literally pay you to review them. You listen to a track or check out a fashion item, write your opinion and get paid. The pay is small, usually between 2 to 20 cents per review, but there is a high volume of content to go through. So if you're in a lower cost of living area like Nigeria, or you just need like some fun extra cash while discovering new music, it's actually worth a shot. Or I've also discovered that it's actually a very low effort way to make money. So that's a roundup. 5 legit ways to get paid online, cash, no gift cards required. Some of these are like quick little side hustles you can do on the cash, while others could be like first step toward building a real business like the Upwork and Fiverr. People are making a lot of money on this website. Do not take it for granted. So either way, the main takeaway is that your time and skills are what actual money. No points, no vouchers, money. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like it. Drop your questions in the comments and also check my other videos on apps and platforms that actually pay. Your next income stream might be just one click away.